hot outside. It's summertime where I live. You may live somewhere that's warm all the time or hot all the time. Our whipped shea butter is made with natural ingredients which will melt during the shipping process. No worries, we have a solution for once the shea butter get into your hands. Oh, look like my whipped shea butter from Naco Bio came. All right, I got my package. Boom. You got your product, you open it.
Nope.
Unfortunately, it melted from the heat. There's a solution. First thing you want to do, put it in your freezer for about 30 minutes. So, put it in your freezer. Find a flat spot in your freezer. Put it in. 30 minutes. We'll be back. Alright, so it's been about an hour and some change. The 30 minutes wasn't long enough. So, give it about an hour. Check it again this time. I think our hour might have been a little too long, but we're gonna take it to the table, see if we could whip it back up. All right, let's see what we're working with. So I think we left it a little too long, but I'm using a spatula. You could use a spoon. And like I said, it was over an hour, so I said give it about an hour, right? I'm just working it. Getting the sides down. Because since we're in the freezer, the sides gonna freeze or get cold faster than the middle. Right? All I'm gonna do is stir it. I'm gonna keep stirring it, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. All right, so since we paused, I probably stored it for about 2 to 5 minutes. And once you're stirring it, you're gonna start to notice the color change. It's gonna go from like a pale kind of yellow to kind of creamy, leaning towards like a light, like an eggshell white or something like that. But that's all I really gotta do. All right, now this is still a smooth. If you look at it, you can see it looks smooth. It's more of a smooth texture. And that's all you gotta do. So, once again, if your product comes to you melted and stick it in the freezer for about an hour, get you a spoon, a spatula, or a whisk, and just stir it up, and it'll be back. And once you keep it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or heat, it'll stay like this. So I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for purchasing. Make sure you go to knockoutbo.com to get your whipped shea butter and to get your natural deodorant. And thank you guys once again.